This video series about the automated document factory solution shows how Operations Designer is used to design job templates for use in daily production. In the first video, administrators work with Operations Designer to design step building blocks as base components for document formatting, printing, and other e-delivery jobs. In the second video, administrators assemble job templates from available step components to define production workflows. Jobs typically require several steps, like the formatting of documents from raw data and the preparation to deliver them to various output channels. The third video sheds light on how operators run jobs for daily production and the use of production reporting. Let's have a look at the automated document factory. Administrators use Operations Designer to design job and step templates and select documents, all stored in the central library. During production, adapters receive raw data from core business applications to create production jobs. This can either be done automatically for batch processing or manually by operators using Papyrus Client. After formatting, documents are checked into the document pool, where they are bundled, sorted, and finally delivered to different output channels. Documents that couldn't be delivered to the recipients are marked in the document pool for bounce handling on alternative delivery channels. Processing is tracked and used for reporting. Documents can be archived as necessary. This video series shows an end-to-end Operations Designer and production workflow for a customer statement, which is formatted, printed, and physically mailed to the recipients. In the design phase, a job administrator initially designs the required processing steps and then assembles them into job templates for later use in production. In the production phase, an operator runs the job, consisting of document formatting and printing with manually uploaded data that comes from a third-party application. The job runs through different queues, each representing a step process. The overall workflow ensures that document design and production are handled flexibly, efficiently, and as fast as possible. The job administrator creates a new step template that is handling the generation of a customer statement, which we want to print in the end. A library of pre-configured base templates is available and added to the new step via drag and drop. Optionally, the administrator can assign a specific queue of the ADF production infrastructure to that step. Additional data could be added to meet the production requirements, like a second output file. In the last definition, properties are adjusted, for example, the step priority. After the formatting step is done, the print step is defined, following the same design principles. The administrator adds the pre-configured print PCL base template, containing all necessary components for a standard PCL print job. The print step is assigned to a specific print production queue. No additional adjustments are needed because the base template contained all necessary configurations. Like on the formatting step, certain properties could be adjusted. Both step templates are now finished. In the next video, we will use these steps to define a job template for the end-to-end workflow.